Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike. Thank you all so much for joining me today. This is the 5th video in our quick yoga series. And today's video is going to be a nice and short Yin Yoga video. So this is going to be an awesome sequence to do when you just need to relax, when you need to let go, when you are just looking to wind down after a long day. This is a great short sequence for you. So when you're ready, roll your mat and let's get started. Okay everyone, so we're going to begin this Yin Yoga sequence coming into a nice extended child's pose. So knees coming as wide as the mat, big toes to touch. Take your time getting here. Extend your arms out long. Forehead can rest in the mat. And right away, let's tap into our breath. So you can feel free to practice any breathing exercise here. One of the ones that I really like to do is breathing in for a count of 6 and then breathing out for a count of 6. And you can do that simply just doing the 6 and 6, or you can choose to pause for like a second or 2 or 3 seconds at the top of your inhale and at the bottom of your exhale. So let's all practice one together here, doing that 6 and 6, or if you want to practice one of your own, that's totally fine. But here we go, let's inhale for 6, pausing at the top briefly, exhale for 6, pausing at the bottom briefly. Inhale for 6. Pausing at the top briefly. Exhale for 6. We'll go ahead and move at your own pace. Trying to sink a little deeper in the pose with each exhale. Now from here, let's slowly shift forward and we'll take just a brief up dog or high cobra. Stretching out the spine a little bit here. Continue to breathe. And from here, let's shift up into a brief downward facing dog. Keep those fingers spread wide. And then from here, let's inhale, lift our right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the right knee. Bring the right knee behind the right wrist. Lower the left knee down. Walk that left leg out long. Left shoelaces down. Keep that right foot flexed here. We're going to be coming into a nice pigeon pose here. So a couple options here. You can stay just with your palms in the mat, standing up tall, or option to come onto your elbows here. Or if you want to go deeper, you can come all the way down, again resting your forehead in the mat. Just find a nice happy medium point for you. Meet your edge. Again, inhaling for 6. Pause briefly, exhale for 6. Again, try and sink a little deeper with each exhale. You should definitely feel this in the right glute area. If you have a block, you can feel free to rest the block underneath the right glutes. On your next exhale, slowly start to come out of the pose. We'll meet back into downward facing dog. And now from here, let's take it over to the other side. Inhale, lift the left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee. Bring the left knee behind the left wrist. Walk that right leg back. Keeping that left foot flexed. And again, finding whichever variation works best for you. My left glute is super tight right now. And as always, coming back to your breath. On your next exhale, slowly, mindfully make your way out of the pose. We'll step it back to downward dog just briefly. And from here, we'll lower down. We'll make our way onto our bums. Take your time getting there. Once we get to our bums, let's extend our legs out long. Maybe give them a little shake here. Now from here, we're going to be coming into Janusirsasana, so head to knee pose. So we'll start with our right leg. So we can bring our left foot into our right thigh. We can walk our right leg or right foot off our mat just a little bit here. And now from here, let's sit up tall. Inhale, bring the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, twist and turn your right leg, and then melt forward, keeping that right foot flexed. Really breathing into the back of the right leg. Coming back to your breath. Trying to sink a little deeper with each exhale. Exhale, slowly roll it back up. We'll take it over to the other side, extending that left leg long, bringing our right foot into our left thigh, and again walking our left leg just off to the left a little bit. We'll inhale, bring the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, twist and turn the left leg and melt forward, keeping that left foot flexed. Exhale, slowly release. From here, let's make our way onto our backs. Once we get to our backs, let's bring the soles of the feet together, coming into a reclined butterfly pose, opening up the hips here. Hands, option here to rest one hand on your hearts, one hand on your belly. You can rest both hands on your hearts, or you can let them just simply rest by your sides. Close the eyes here if you haven't already, and again, come back to your breath. Feel the hips open up a little bit wider naturally with each exhale. Your next exhale, extend the legs out long, coming into final Shavasana. Hopefully by now you'll be feeling a little bit more relaxed. Continue to keep the eyes closed here if you like. encourage you to stay here in Shavasana for as long as you like. Thank you all for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands together at our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.